Here we go, folks, then. Stand by. All right, darling.
Start the clock, please.
Captions 1 and 2, please. Stand by. Here we go.
45.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you, Laura.
Fine. Coming up. One. Captions for 2, please. Thank you.
Project number 10, episode 1, part 1, production number 1321, recording date the 13th of the 5th, 71, take 1.
15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Run 35. 3, 2, 1. On to the scene.
This fall here is so wonderful. Stand by.
Run 16 drill.
Face and fade. Next one.
The actors are the ones that have got to get on there and do it. Now, the producers, the directors, the writers, everybody else may think that they are the ones that are doing the show. But they're nobody. Once that bleeding light goes on, they're nothing. Their job is done, gone, finished. The people that have got their head on the chopping block are the actors.
Something worrying you, lad, is it?
No, sir.
Well, come on, speak up. Don't be frightened of me.
This is the tight
And the
one.
decision I've come to is not to pay.
I mean, you'll be all the nicer to me if you still got it to come, won't you, eh?
Listen, we're not doing it.
Well, I might as well. At least your dad comes back.
But they're not giving 12 months.
73.
He's going to schmites around and knocking on people's doors, say he's from the distressed musicians fund. Well, society's going to have its revenge, isn't it?
74.
Listen, Zip, you leave my mum alone.
Your mother is a deserted woman.
You leave her alone.
Alice and me is very good friends.
Look, I know what you're doing this for.
You're doing this for a giggle with me, ain't you?
79.
Well, go on then.
Yeah. You do what you like, mate. You don't worry me.
That's what you want to do, mate? I shall piss off. That's what I shall do.
I left this lot when I was 14, see?
Good.
Yeah. Anything you do here doesn't mean that much to me.
I mean, of course, on the other hand, you might just enjoy it, mightn't you? Tea all day, telly all night. If she's bug enough to fall for you, well, that's her lookout, ain't it? So stuff that, see?
Consider it stuff.
Yeah. Well, bloody watch it, mate.
I'm watching it, son. I'm watching it.
284 next.
Hey, cue Adam.
Now, look at me and say yes. Act now and say yes. Yes. Right. From now on, my friend, you start to live.